Lovely weather. Lovely weather to skate in. The skate gods are angry. We have angered the skate gods. I am going out to get rained on. How's it going there, YouTube? Fucking going to skate in this. Check it out. Oh yes, lovely stuff. This is the perfect day to skate. Luckily I know one spot to go to. Alright. Alright, so here we are at the only dry spot in town. Got my board, got my coffee, just been warming up, popping some ollies. This place right here. This is the only underground parking garage I could go to without getting kicked out, and it's the only spot that's going to be dry today. So this is where I will be doing some tricks. As you can see, the worm turns quick. We've had nothing but sun up until a few days ago. And now on my only day off in however long, this is what we get. So I got one spot, I got glass everywhere. I got this ledge, I can do stalls on the ledge, I'll be able to slide it when I'm actually a little better. We've got these parking stalls over here. Those are decent to do slappies on. Just waited, I don't even know how long, for so many carts to park and get out of my way. High traffic area, time don't stop for the rain around here. that has probably ended my skate session for the day. My board is already pretty razor-tailed, and I have just blown out a big chunk of the plies. Just practicing some stalls and trying to learn slides on this ledge here, and well, the board has eaten shit as I've gone to turn around. Albeit the glass here, this is where it happened, probably wasn't helping. So you can see the big skid mark where I've gone to turn, and the board's flowing out from under me. Probably hit this thing I didn't even see, and these plies, you probably can't see it very well in film, but I've already pushed that back in. That's rickety now, and so that means any day now that whole chunk of the board is just going to break off. Lovely, and I think that'll conclude my day's worth of skating, lest I be stranded.